Hi everyone! In this tutorial, we will create a slider animation using Swiper.js. This project features two sliders that work together. The outer slider controls Autoplay, a progress bar for pagination, and transitions. The inner slider uses a creative animation effect. The design is also responsive and works well on all screen sizes. Let's get started. Let's begin with the HTML. First, we add the CDN links to include Swiper's functionality. Inside the section, we have two Swiper sliders. The first slider will have customized pagination bullets. Each slider has 4 slides in total. The number of slides must be equal for the animation to work properly. The first slider contains the headings. The second slider contains one image for each slide. Now let's move on to the CSS. In this part, we style the sliders and text reveal animation. First, we remove all margins and paddings. The images fill their containers, which is important for the inner slider. The section covers the full screen height. Each slide is positioned relative because we place the overlay and heading inside it. First, we add an overlay to darken each background image, so we highlight the text and the inner slider. Each slide has its own background image. The heading is positioned at the top of the screen. We also center it horizontally. We use the clamp function to make the text responsive. The active heading has a reveal animation. In this animation, the blur disappears and the text moves up into place. Now the opacity is set to 0 so the animation becomes clear. The inner slider is positioned in the center of the screen. The images also have rounded borders. Now we set up the sliders and then we'll style the pagination bullets. In this part, we set up and connect the sliders. First, we initialize the outer slider. The slides fade in and fade out. The transition takes 1 second. We also enable mouse wheel control to scroll through the slides. Next, we create the inner slider. It uses a creative effect. The previous slide moves back in 3D space. And the next slide moves up from below. Now we connect the two sliders. This function moves the inner slider to the same slide index as the outer slider. We also enable the pagination and make the bullets clickable. Now we style the pagination bullets and create the animation for each one. We move the pagination slightly upward. Each bullet appears in a horizontal form, and it has a semi-transparent background. We use the pointer cursor for clicking. We also reset the animation properties. This white bar fills from left to right. We set the width to 0% so it starts empty. The active slide fills for 4 seconds. The previous slides will stay fully filled. We also disable all animations on bullets that are already completed. Now we add media queries to make the pagination responsive. The pagination bullets become shorter on smaller screens. We also reduce the spacing between bullets. Now we activate the pagination progress animation. We add the active class to the first bullet immediately. This class includes the progress bar animation. Now, we remove the animation from all bullets to reset them. This marks the previous slides and creates a past effect for them. But the next bullets shouldn't appear marked when switching to a previous slide. So we remove the filled class from them. Now we add the active class to the new bullet. This makes the animation restart each time we switch slides. Finally, we set the autoplay. This value matches the duration of the progress bar animation, so the timing becomes consistent. The autoplay also continues even after user interaction. And there you have it. We created an animated slider using Swiper.js. This slider features a creative effect, autoplay, a progress bar for pagination, and a text reveal animation. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative projects. Thanks for watching.